You're working at a desk all day. You're probably aware you need better posture, but let's get real. How often do you check in on that posture? And you know what? You've probably got better things to do with your time than fidget with that posture. But by the end of the day, maybe you've got some shoulder aches and back aches, and I've got something to help you with that. It's the Manduka unBLOK yoga block. It is a yoga block, but it's not like your average yoga block, and we're gonna get into that in this video. Well, that's a lot of yoga blocks in one sentence. I've even got a Manduka discount code for you, so stick around. Hi, I'm Jaime at Enlightened, feeding your mind, body, soul. On this channel, we help you create your personal rituals on and off the yoga mat to help you navigate a busy life with more grace, ease, and flow. So when you're hunched over a desk or a mobile phone all day, you want to give your spine and neck a nice stretch in the opposite direction. Otherwise, you might start to get aches and pains in your shoulders, upper and lower back. Yoga poses like back bends can really help, but poses like camel, bridge, or wheel can be a little intense and require a lot more muscular effort. And probably the last thing you want to do at the end of a long work day. A more restorative back bend like we do in yin yoga can be really helpful. All you need is 3 to 5 minutes sitting on the floor with a block under your shoulder blades or lengthwise along your spine. You might have done this before in a yoga class, and you might have noticed that even with a softer foam block, it can start to feel a little uncomfortable over time. This is where the Manduka unBLOK comes in. It's got lots of gentle curves like this one on the long edge, so you can use it lengthwise along the spine, helping that back bend. Or if you're feeling like you need a lower, gentler curve, you can place it on its lower side and still have a gentler curve on this side, which I find great for under the shoulders or under the sacrum. The unBLOK is made of recycled foam, so it's got the same texture as a regular foam block. But I love how these curves not only help to make it more comfortable when you're in a back bend for a longer time, it feels a lot more supportive because you can drape the shoulders or spine around it, not having to work with a flat edge on a regular block. I already use regular foam blocks, but this has been a great addition to my yoga props. What do you think? Interested in this or have doubts about it? Let me know in the comments below. If this was helpful, do hit that like button or send me a super thanks and subscribe to my channel. Best part is, you get a 10% discount not only on this block, but on all Manduka products with my code. Unfortunately, this discount isn't for my American viewers, but you guys get free shipping above a certain amount. I'll put all the links below. I've also got recommendations to my favorite yoga products that have really helped support my practice. You might like to check those out too. I get a small commission with any qualifying purchase, so thanks for supporting my channel by buying through my links. Yoga blocks are a great way to enhance your practice, whether it's to help stability, alignment, or to learn more advanced poses. If you don't have any or never considered them, you might want to check out this video next where we break down foam versus cork blocks and when you'd use which. I hope it helps you find more grace, ease, and flow in your busy life, and I'll see you in the next one.